Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. I feel like every Wednesday I have so much information to share with you guys. So this week is no different. I am going to tell you about all the awesome deals I grabbed at Walmart. I also have a couple of things I want to share with you, unique ways to make some extra cash just before the holidays. So I'm going to share that with you as well. So this week was a challenge week, and if you are new to my channel, sometimes I will partner up with other YouTubers just for fun to see who can score the best deals at Walmart for the week. This week, I partnered up with Ohio Valley Couponer. If you haven't checked out his channel, I will link his video down in the video description box below. He was one of the first couponers that I met when I started on YouTube, and I was really drawn to his channel because he comes across as very kind and genuine, and I really appreciated that, and I just thought he was super nice and supportive of me as well. So I am very excited to partner up with him. The loser will have to wear an ugly Christmas sweater in their next Walmart video. And y'all, he's really good. So I tried extra hard this week. Like every little penny I could get out of an app, I did, because I want to win. Okay, so of course I'm going to walk you through step by step all of these deals here in just a second. But the two little unique holiday cash earning opportunities. Last week I told you guys about the Miles app. They were running a promotion where if you had 5 referrals, so if you join with my referral code, and then you get 5 other people to join and travel. So travel could be walking, boating, driving your car, riding in a bus, Ubering, like basically any mode of transportation. If you take at least 5 trips of 2 miles each, you can score a $225 gift card. So last week it was $200. This week it's $225. So they keep doing a promotion each week. And I got my $200 Amazon gift card today. So that is super exciting. So if you are looking to score $225 to help you pay for holiday gifts for friends and family or whatever you want to use it for, grab Miles using my referral code and then get 5 of your buddies to join as well. Take those trips and score yourself a gift card. The second way is through Rakuten. I know a lot of people do holiday shopping right now. Walmart is one of those options through Rakuten. If you are brand new to Rakuten and you join using my link down in the video description box below and spend $40 at any of their retailers, you will get $40 back. It is their best bonus of the year. Normally it's spend 30, get 30. Right now it's spend 40, get 40 back. Super simple. I also have a full tutorial on Rakuten if you want to check that out. Just wanted to throw that out there for you guys if you're looking for some unique ways to grab some extra cash before the holidays. Okay, let's get into the deals. Of course, I'm going to start with food because food makes me happy. Okay, Tazo tea. I could not find these suckers anywhere. I finally found one at a Walmart near me. These are $1.68. Ibotta is giving $1.98 back, making it free and a 30-cent moneymaker. The, let's see what's not gonna fall. The Beyond Burger. Okay, these are priced at $4.84. My Ibotta had an offer for $3.50 back. But if you go to the Beyond Burger website, and I think you have to sign up for their emails, they will send you an email with a $1 off coupon. I used that coupon, so I paid $3.84. I got $3.50 back on Ibotta, making this just 34 cents total. Of course, if you're not already using Ibotta, you can score some extra cash when you grab it using my referral code. Other easy deals on Ibotta. These turtles found up by the register. These are priced at $1. Ibotta is currently giving back 75 cents, making this just 25 cents. I also grabbed these Splendas, grabbed these last week as well. You want to grab 2 of the Splenda Stevia liquids, the white bottles, not the gray bottles. They're priced at $3.48. There is a $4 off 2 coupon in the November 14th save. You will pay $2.96 at the register and then get $2 back on each of them on Ibotta, making them both free and $1.04 moneymaker. Now I'm realizing it. A friend of mine said, I say dollar weird. And now I can't stop hearing myself saying dollar. So please don't tell me if I say things weird, because then it will be in my head and I'll be thinking constantly. More Ibotta offers. The Monk bars. These are priced at $6.54. I mentioned this last week. So if you haven't done this deal yet, you will get $1.50 back on Ibotta. You will get 1,025 kicks on Shopkick. And with Shopkick, that is $4.10. I also use an app called Makeena that has a lot of organic produce offers. They are giving back 25 cents on these. So my total cost was just 69 cents for this box of bars. If you're not using Makeena yet and you want to check it out, you can grab it using my referral code. Other food deals. Which one do I want to tell you about? Okay, the green beans. These at Walmart, the Great Value brand, they're priced at 50 cents a can. The Shopkick app is giving back 135 kicks, so 15 kicks for scanning it, 120 kicks for purchasing it, or maybe it was 10 kicks and 125. Regardless, it's 135 kicks total, so that's 54 cents, making this can completely free and a 4-cent moneymaker. Now, in Shopkick last night while I was at the store, a $4 offer popped up for the Maranatha almond butter. Okay, so I grabbed one of the little packets at 98 cents. I scanned the big jar. I purchased the small one. I submitted my receipt to Shopkick for the 1,000 kicks back, which is $4. It has not processed yet. I can update you down in the comments when it does, but should that process, it would make it completely free and a $3.02 moneymaker. So awesome deal on this. Again, I'll update you as I hear back. Okay, couple of Fetch Rewards offers. One, I found this Gatorade protein bar on clearance for $1. The Fetch Rewards app currently has a 75-cent rebate back, making this bar just 25 cents. They also had a couple of free after rebate offers. So if you're brand new to Fetch, grab it using my referral code because you're going to score an additional $2. But you also want to start checking the app for 100% freebies. I had 2 of them this last week. One was on these Reese's Klondike bars. No lie, my husband had just finished the pack from when I got them free last time. They're priced at $3.32. That is what you will pay at the register. You submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I got $3.35 back, so it gave me the full amount back plus like a few extra pennies, so that made it free and a 3-cent moneymaker. I also grabbed, and this was kind of hard to find. I had to go to a couple of stores to find this one, but the Sara Lee Sweet Steakhouse rolls. These are priced at $2.98. That was a freebie on the Fetch Rewards app. So I actually got back $3 from Fetch Rewards. But then the Shopkick app had an offer for any dinner rolls, and they were giving back 125 kicks. That's 50 cents back on Shopkick, making these rolls completely free and a 52-cent moneymaker, and super easy to bring along to Thanksgiving if you're going somewhere, or throw it in your Thanksgiving meal. All right, was that all the food? Nope, the mac and cheese, but I think that was it otherwise. Mac and cheese, did this last week. It is a swag box offer. You want to buy 2 boxes priced at 96 cents each. And when you submit your receipt to Swagbucks, you'll get $1.50 back, making it 42 cents total, or just 21 cents per box. And you can do that multiple times. So I did it twice. So 21 cents for each of those 4 boxes of mac and cheese. Okay, let's talk about the non-food items. Since I just talked about Swagbucks, let me tell you a couple other Swagbucks deals. If you want to see a full tutorial on Swagbucks, I know people find it to be a little bit more confusing than some of the other apps. I do have a complete tutorial that you can check out that walks you through how to use the app. There's a great deal on the Palmolive Soap. These are priced at $2 each in my store. You want to buy 3 of them. That's $6. But Swagbucks is giving $5 back when you buy 3. So that's $1 for all 3 of them, or just 33 cents each. And you could actually do this deal twice if you wanted to. Another Swagbucks offer, and this was interesting. So I had a hard time finding these condoms in stock. So it's the skin condoms, the 3-count pack. In the Swagbucks offer, it says buy 2, get $6 back, and it specifically lists the 3-count box. Now, I grabbed 2 of them at $2.58. That's just $5.16. I was supposed to get $6 back, making them free and an 84-cent moneymaker, but my receipt did not go through, so I had to request a review, and that is currently pending. So hopefully that will process and I will get my $6 back. If you're not a fan of offers pending, you might want to bypass this offer because it did go straight to review for me. All right, the other deals. I guess let's talk about Shopkick deals over here. The Johnson's, this is the Shea and Cocoa Butter body wash and lotion for baby. Okay, they are priced at $4.92 each, both of them. Now, there is a $2 printable coupon that you can grab, so you're paying just $2.92. But I had a Shopkick offer for 765 kicks when you scan it and purchase it. That is equivalent to $3.06, making them both free and a 14-cent moneymaker each. Now, was there anything else on Shopkick? Yes, the Glad Press and Seal. We talked about this last week. I will tell you about it again. So this is priced at $2.98. There is a $1 printable coupon that you can use, which makes it $1.98. You'll get back 75 cents on Ibotta. You'll get back 195 kicks on Shopkick, which is 78 cents, making the total cost of this just 45 cents. Now, of course, I don't know when you're watching this video, so double check your apps and make sure you have these offers prior to buying any of these items. Now, the Bic Soleil razors, these are priced at $3.27. There is a $3 offer on the Checkout 51 app, making these packs just 27 cents each. If you think 27 cents is too expensive, you could grab this Bic Razor. This one's priced at $5.68. There is a $3 coupon in the November 14th save. So you would pay just $2.68 at the register, but then get $3 back on Ibotta, making it free and a 32-cent moneymaker. So you could actually snag both of these razors together and they would still be completely free. I also grabbed the Fabuloso Cleaner. You want to grab the one that says antibacterial, priced at $2.97. There's 2 different rebate apps giving rebates on this. Ibotta is giving $1 back. Shopkick was giving 270 kicks back. That's $1.08, making this bottle just 89 cents. I also grabbed my favorite laundry detergent, and this one was a little bit more expensive, so it kind of hurt me in my competition with Nick, but I grabbed it anyway. $4.94 for this. I had a $2 coupon from the November 14th save, so I paid $2.94 and I got $1.50 back on Ibotta, making the total cost $1.44. I also grabbed some body wash. Okay, so the Suave body wash, grabbed it last week, 97 cents. There is a 75-cent rebate on Fetch. Some people might have $1, making it completely free. Last week had $1. This week it updated to 75 cents. So I was able to grab this for just 22 cents, and I could have grabbed 5 of them if I wanted them. And then I grabbed the Nivea Men body wash. So this is super easy to throw into like a gift bag for someone at the holidays, but these are $3.76 each. So you want to buy 2 of them. Total cost $7.52. There was a $3 coupon in the November 14th Smart Source, so you're going to pay $4.52 at the register, and then get $1.50 back on each, so $3 back on Ibotta, making the total cost $1.52 or just 76 cents each. Okay, did I hit all of it? No, the Dove. Okay, I just grabbed one of these because I only had one coupon. They are $4.34. There is a $3 coupon in the November 14th save. You would pay $1.34, get back $1 on Ibotta, making it just 34 cents. Now, if you were grabbing 2 of them, there is a $2 back on 2 offer on Fetch Rewards. So that would make it a little bit of a moneymaker. But for 34 cents for a Dove men deodorant, I thought that was still a great deal. Okay. Now, of course, I paid with a gift card using my Ibotta earnings because that means I did not have to pay anything out of pocket. And it also means I got another offer towards my bonuses for redeeming that gift card. So I got back 10 cents for a gift card redemption. I got back 5 cents for a gift card redemption. I got my $1 woohoo midweek moneymaker bonus for redeeming 8 offers, making everything a total cost of 96 cents or just 3 cents per item. Curious what Nick got. Hoping I beat him. If not, that's okay. It's a game, and I'm okay with losing sometimes. And I will get to wear a ugly Christmas sweater. So we will just have to see how it all shakes out. I hope y'all all have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving and a great rest of your week. Thanks.